Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to enable two-step verification on TikTok using your Android phone. This simple security feature helps protect your account from unauthorized access. So let's get started and secure your TikTok account. Open the TikTok app on your Android phone. Tap the three lines icon located at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Security and Permissions. Now, tap on Two-Step Verification. Following this, select both phone and email verification options. Then click on Turn On. If you haven't added your phone number before, add it now and tap Send Code. Once you receive the code, enter it to verify your phone number. Finally, click on Add to Trust Your Device to complete the process. Thank you for watching. Enabling two-step verification is a quick and effective way to keep your TikTok account safe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.